Welcome to our guide on how solar batteries and storage systems are revolutionizing energy management in Thailand. Solar energy is becoming increasingly important in Thailand as the government pushes for reduced carbon emissions and greater sustainability. Solar power is central to the country's clean energy strategy, driving the adoption of sustainable power solutions for homes and businesses. The challenge for solar users is managing excess power. Solar batteries provide the key solution by storing surplus energy for later use, maximizing efficiency. Let's explore how solar battery systems function within the Thai energy landscape. During the day, when solar panels produce more electricity than you consume, the surplus power is directed into the battery for storage, ensuring no energy goes to waste. This stored energy can be used at night or on cloudy days, providing a continuous power supply and reducing reliance on the main grid. A solar storage system is more than just a battery. It relies on several components working together for optimal performance. The system includes the battery for storage and a crucial inverter that converts the DC power from the panels into usable AC power for your home or business. Lithium-ion batteries are the preferred choice in Thailand due to their higher efficiency and longer lifespan, offering a more cost-effective long-term solution compared to lead-acid. Why is solar battery storage such a smart investment for homes and businesses in Thailand? By storing your own solar power, you gain energy independence, reduce reliance on the grid, and achieve significant savings on your monthly electricity bills, especially during peak hours. Solar storage enhances grid stability, especially in rural areas, and provides essential backup power during unexpected power cuts or blackouts. The financial landscape for solar battery storage is changing, making it more accessible than ever before. The cost of solar storage technology is steadily decreasing, and the Thai government offers incentives like subsidies and tax breaks to lower the upfront investment. When selecting your system, assess your energy usage, ensure the capacity meets your needs, and always choose a product with a solid warranty. Solar batteries are a pivotal step towards a sustainable and energy-independent future for Thailand. Embracing these innovative systems helps drive Thailand toward a greener future while offering significant financial benefits. If you have questions or want to learn more, call us today on +66 82 704 6939. This screen will remain for 5 seconds. Visit our website at www.solarpanelsthailand.com to contact us directly. This screen will remain for 5 seconds.